Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Gracie, and now Gracie's answering to Lady V, as there is, a little issue between them at the moment. Um, as you know, before Chit Chat and Gracie had, a problem. I think Lady V was telling them that, to, squish the argument and not to argue with each other. However, it became, something. So now Gracie's addressing that. And so here's a video of her addressing Lady V, and soon you will have the video of Lady V addressing Gracie. So go ahead and watch. Make your own comment, your own thoughts as to what you think is going on. And I think they all should get together and, move on, forgive each other, and get past it, because we we need for ladies, our ladies, to live loving and, to live loving with each other and to help to hold up each other, you know. But here's a clip. Listen to it, draw your own conclusion from it and your own thoughts. And thank you so much for listening, and have a wonderful night.
Appreciate you. And you come and go like you're a lady. And you're not lady. You no lady, no lady on the pan your name, dirty woman, no lady no the pan your name. And we class, you're not nastiness, you know, dirty woman. You're supposed to have house. And you should have better house too. Because the way you done out your latter days, them, you're supposed to have better house. Me couldn't done out for me latter days, I'm like, couldn't have that a short height, you know. To all you done out your latter days, them. You should have better house. You come out and you tell chit chat, say, what? Don't even argue with me. Because the whole of my business out there on social media. So I say the whole of my business out there on social media, the whole of you pick the business out here to, because the whole of we do the same thing. And that me say, you come, when you step to me about chit chat live and never search your life and see your pitting life no nice. Eh? You never didn't know, so you pick the picture there all over the place. You come call the name of a chit chat, dirty woman. And we class, you know, woman. Dirty woman when I have no clitoris, no crease, this left back, so the man can't put no ring on it. All you will be a man, see man married you, now married you. And we talk things you hear. All you try the man, I don't know you. If after week, fear will be a man weak, but the man not stay with you. The man not stay with you, dirty woman. It's not my fault. You pick the hate you like dog. She not like you. It's a disgrace to her. You only come past social media and go like you're smarty. Back in the days when you got Antigua, you want to tell the people how you want, what you used to do before you reach where you there. Dirty woman. You want to tell the people what you used to do before you reach which part you there. Dirty woman and the dirty people them. Me not look on the comment today no nationals. Me not looking at no comment. Me just say what me I say. Me just say what me I say. She go over chit chat and she bust her Liberty Monday. And you know this a act, you know this a act penny that got here. And me that go come fix your nastiness because me never trouble you. You say me send one who everybody send people come out here. Every junk out here send people. There's none of we out here when I send people. When the red no send Stacy come out here come cut tune for me. Uno send it, so everybody out here send people. Every dirty germs junk platform out here send people. The all always send people. There's none of we out here when I send people come cost nobody. No perfect platform no out here when I not stay in panic when I send out come cost. All always send people come cost people. Since you say me send them. Cause the dirty one over there, so down a Jamaica, and I mean, I chat to she, I mean, I deal with her, you know. I never send out that girl come cost nobody yet, you know. Dirty, stinking upper bus, junkyard. She a look cold out over there. And she a look friend and show you a idiot cause long time junkyard a cuss you before my time and your time. You go talk about say me this send junkyard fi cuss you. And the people empire through hands them out them memory and it full of sugar. Then my members a long time junkyard a cuss you before fi me time. Then my members a long time junkyard a cuss you before fi me time. So how me fi say junkyard fi cuss you dirty woman, liar woman. You go over chit chat and you drop your word them and you throw your shit and you say, you know me that go come. So when me come, where you remove us for? You never trouble me. You go over them Monday, you drop your word in your class and you talk with class and quality. I decide I come back and keep on class life, but me not no time for no class in life right here now. Me not no time for no class in life. This a dirty woman a step to me. I'm through me a agna a pen me a step back to her. Come wall in the mud with me, dirty woman. Come wall in the mud with me. Cause you come down in the mud to come wall in that nastiness. No class to the pan you know, you know. Cause you come down in the mud with me. So come wall with me. You know, to all the dirty woman have me up nation. I say, you know, woman what she chat I say. How she said, I know Bulldog, and even if I knew Bulldog, it was not my place to say that I knew dirty woman because you was a wicked woman, and that's why I mean I like Kuno. How now wicked in the two face. You forget. And then they sit there if you come on contact. Say Grace, you know, like me come a two face and me a hypocrite. From it be me, you say you know a Bulldog long time, you know. And you never see even say you know a Bulldog or nothing. And me walk sideways with the Friday day, you know, man, you never notice. You see, you come over there and say, oh, I know Bulldog, and it was not my place to talk that I know Bulldog, even if I know Bulldog. And you love your woman. That's why I say I don't like you know, I don't like none of the platform, because the whole out now hypocrite, you know. The whole out now hypocrite. And when this a dirty girl now speak her mind and talk the truth, no you hear so she's a mischief maker. When this a drunk you speak her mind and talk the truth, no you hear so she's a mischief maker. Talk the truth from them time me I walk sideways with you. Me when me cuss you and call you careless V, you know. When me cuss you and call you careless V, and when me come out and me say mixy, and me see a drum fi come show shade pa me through me say mixy, and you ain't like that nah. So me I say this a big careless what this hypocrite one here. What didn't know Bulldog go long. And Bulldog they are class and a this up and a done up. And I talk up the things them and you never come out and say you didn't know a Bulldog. So all of a sudden you have pick up for Dana. That's why I call it careless for you. Dirty woman, member. Member dirty woman. I don't tell no lie pa me germs. Don't tell no lie pa me germs. Now make them send you out for me a year coming on nice. Dirty woman and that's why me the cuss you and call you careless for you. I'm glad see you go over chit chat or talk. Say yes, you didn't know a Bulldog. That's why when me call Dana mixy, and you run out for come cost me. Me say you a sad person should not defend Dana about mixy, because all I only know a Bulldog and all I only know the happenings in a Bulldog. I do not dirty people. Una dirty people. All I know dirty people. No, not only not clean. That's why I talk about big up with Harry. I don't busy with the mama you want big up over there. I don't busy with you. Why you all the enemy them enemy have his friend? I will not same thing. Dirty drunk rock and come step to